Hello everyone. In this short video presentation I'm going to demonstrate the test circuit for a liquid pump, the FMM 20 TTDC. It's a very simple small liquid pump that needs to be controlled with a control signal that is a pulse of 20 milliseconds length and the frequency anywhere between 0 and 20 hertz. The faster you send that control signal, the faster the pump will pump and will increase its flow rate. The test circuit that I wanted to demo is shown in this slide here. A microcontroller board that generates that control signal that will control a relay to turn on and off with that pulse, with that rate, the supply voltage to the pump, and in this way control the flow rate of the water through the pump. I have here the experimental setup that shows the Arduino board, which right now controls the relay, which controls an LED. I'm only interested in showing the control signal on the scope out of pin 13 of that microcontroller board, and as you can see here, by the way, this signal is inverted in the sense that when it's supposed to be 1, it should be 0, because that's how the relay works. And you'll see it here, 25 milliseconds on pulse at the control signal frequency of 10 hertz. If I wanted to, for instance, change that to 20 hertz, then I'm going to reprogram the microcontroller, as you can see here, and then see the control signal changes, and you'll see the frequency now 20 hertz, the on time of the pulse signal being still 25 milliseconds. Next, we're going to use the signal to actually control the pump and see it in...
This is the experimental setup with the microcontroller board that will generate that control pulse that will be on 25 milliseconds and at a rate of 20 hertz. This is the relay that will turn on and off accordingly to control the power to the pump from the power supply of 12 volts. So there we go. I'll connect the control signal and then turn the power on. So the pump should start now to pump, and as you can see, it pumps water at quite some flow rate, and we'll time this for exactly 1 minute to see whether the pumped water is indeed, as the manual says, I think 18 milliliters per minute. As you can see here, the supply voltage is 12 volts.
Another 10 seconds.
Okay, so the result of the test is that at the frequency of 20 hertz, it pumped about 16 milliliters per minute. At the lower frequency of 10 hertz, it pumped half that, only 8 milliliters.